Hello YouTube. I thought I would do an unboxing of my Vornado whole room humidifier. It's model EV100. I checked on YouTube and I didn't see anybody who had done a review of it. I was particularly interested in how quiet it is, so I was a little disappointed there weren't any videos on it. So they had some other brands, and they had some other models by Vornado, but not this particular one. So this is the EV100. So as you can see, it says up to 300 square feet, auto humidity control, 2-speed fan, push button controls, a simple tank system, a 1-gallon capacity, and it comes with one wick, filter wick, I guess they call it, with antimicrobial treatment. So let's do the unboxing, and I'm going to show how I fill it up, and then I'm going to do a sound test to see how quiet it is. So here's the other side of the box. Shows the circulation. Oh, shows you how you do the tank, add water to the tank. The back, nothing particularly special there. The other side just powers the same information as before. Alright, so here we go. So what do we get? We get an instruction booklet. I looked online, it says it has a 5-year warranty. Okay, let's pull it out. Nice, good packing. Alright, so let's see. So it just lifts up. Okay, so there's the container. It just lifts up. And then got a little spring-loaded valve there that lets the water out, I would imagine. And just gets back in like that. Okay, then you got the controls. High, low, auto. I think that's for the fan. And then humidity percent, let's see, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And above, infinity. That probably means on all the time. Doesn't turn itself off. Alright, so let's see. The base, pretty simple. Nothing there. Air comes in through this side, goes out this side. It's an evaporative humidifier, which means it blows air over the water or over the wick, filter wick, and then it evaporates as the air blows over it. So, and it's got it's got a screw here. That's probably how you take this off to change out the filter. So, let's fill up the tank. Let's see. It says, when removing tank to refill, do not twist. Lift vertically. Oh, that's just talking about picking it up. Alright, so how do we... So I'm going to stop for a minute and read the instruction. I don't want to break it. I have to figure out how you open up the canister to fill the water. Alright, so to fill the water tank up, they say turn it over, turn the base counterclockwise, and then it's a simple quarter-point turn. There's a gasket here, and then we just fill it up with water. So I'm going to go fill it up, and I'll be back. Alright, so I filled the tank up with water. You can see here. I put the top back on. turn it clockwise, get locked into position, and we'll turn it upside down. No leak, that's good. So we'll put it on the base, and you put it on the base, it lifts the valve, opens up. I would imagine putting some water down there. Let's see how much water it takes to fill up the base of the actual humidifier. A fair amount. There we go. Okay. All right. Now let's undo the power cord. Plug it in and turn it on. Turn on the power. Okay, there's an on-off button, so we'll turn that on to. And the default setting is 50 for the humidity. So we're going to do low. See if you can hear it. Well, it's not loud. It's not silent either, for that matter. Let's turn it back on to high. There's high. High is moderately louder, but not terrible. So it's set on 50 for the humidity. I'm going to put it on auto, and it stops. So it means it's actually 50. Humidity is 50% or whatever the rating is in the house, which is not surprising because it's raining outside. So this is winter time, and I got it because the air is really dry and my skin dried out, started itching. So I'm going to crank this up to 60 or 55. Oh, and the auto went on. Don't want to crank it up too high because then you get ice on the windows when it drops down below 32, and they start to get condensation and mildew. So I don't want it to go up too high, but this is good. So it hasn't actually turned on yet. But I'm going to set it on low. There we go. All right, so I'll bring the camera a little closer so you can hear the sound. All right, so this is low. All right, and that's auto. Here's high. So the full tank is supposed to last for 24 hours. I think even on high, we'll see. But I like it. It's not silent, but it's not so noisy that it's going to bother me. I would say it's fairly quiet. And we'll leave it on low because I don't like noisy stuff. All right, hope that helps.